everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 ways endive appetizer. First one, I'll start with diced cucumber, then green onion, capers, anchovy, you could use the shrimp, and finally peanut. The second one, I'll start with avocado. This is diced endive, you could use regular lettuce, boiled egg, and hazelnut. Third one, I'll start with diced endive, or you could use lettuce, regular lettuce, apple, you could use either blue cheese or goat cheese, and hazelnut. For the dressing, I use the same dressing for all of them, just use a few drops. It's lemon juice, olive oil, and salt. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.